Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the InPods 12. It's a AirPods 1, the first generation AirPods clone. It comes in 4 different colors. It comes in the blue, the yellow, pink, and green. So let's have a look around the box. Under the box it says InPods 12. At the top also InPods 12. At the back, Android, iOS, Bluetooth 5.0, also has inPods 12. We have true wireless stereo version 5.0. At the side, the colors also white, black, pink, blue, green, and yellow. So I actually really love the blue color, so that was the one I chose. Let's look at what's inside. So I chose the blue color. It has a really nice matte finish. I really like it a lot. The matte finish is really good. Okay, let's look at what's inside the box. And we have a charging cable. Actually, it's pretty weird because the charging cable is a micro USB, which is, I think, is really weird because like the TWS that I have is actually a lightning. It uses a lightning cable, so I'm surprised this one doesn't use a lightning cable. Okay, let's look at what's inside the box again. So we have the manual. It's in Chinese and English. Yeah, we've got the English one here. So it has the different colors: yellow, green, pink, and blue, the one I have. It also has the simple colors: black, I think this is navy blue, we have gray, and we have white. So we look at the product configuration. Bluetooth 5.0, like I said. It can last for 2 to 3 hours. The charging time is about an hour, which is pretty good. And it also has the instructions for you to pair it to your device. Okay, let's look at the device. So like I said, the finish is pretty good. It's a matte finish. It kind of reminds me of the TWS 12, like I said. Actually, I have my copy here, but the hinges, I think, is better than the TWS. See, but the build quality also is better than the TWS, and it comes at a fairly cheaper price, or about the same price as the TWS. I'm not sure. So these are both of them side by side. So let's try to pair them and see how they sound. Okay, I think we're gonna have a good sound from this. So actually, when I try to pair them, it comes up as AirPods. So we're gonna connect and we're gonna see. So it's connected and it says i12. Okay, so let's check the sound quality. As you guys can see, the blinking has stopped, so we've got no lights now. Everything is off. So let's see how the music sounds. Okay, we're gonna play a little music and we're gonna hear the sound quality, if it's really good, if it's better than i12's. Okay, actually I think the music quality is kind of okay. It's not really the best, it's just so-so. I mean, it's better than the TW i12's, but still it's just so-so. It's not really the best, but it holds in the ear pretty well. Even when I shake my head, it doesn't fall off. I think that's pretty good, and for the price, I think it's actually kind of worth it. Okay, so actually a little bit I can recommend this for you guys. It's really good, it's really cheap, but I'm gonna do a comparison later between this and the TWS i12's and the AirPods first generation, and we're gonna see which one is better. So I want you guys to leave a comment down if you feel like you could buy this, if you feel like this is useful, and you guys can also subscribe to the channel so you can see the next review of the product. Thanks guys.